Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. If you need to lose 8 kilograms in 1 week, that's what you need to do. Are you looking for the fastest way to lose weight? In a couple of weeks, will you take part in a big party and want to get into your best tight clothes? Are you going to an important date in 2 weeks? This knowledge is important to you, as it will help you never become a victim of diet pills or advertisements, which are full on the internet. All you need is a healthy diet and strict adherence to the regime. Rule 1, never skip meals during this particular week. A hearty meal once a day will not help you lose weight. Ideally, you should try to ensure that breaks between meals never last longer than 3 hours. Rule 2, you do not have to live these days with a sense of hunger. Feel it, eat immediately. This diet was developed in the company General Motors. It was created for those of its employees who would like to lose weight, but without tablets and strict diets, which would have to adhere to for months. The goal of the automotive giant is to support its employees who work in offices or in production and do not have enough time and energy to take care of their health. If you want to achieve the maximum result from the GM diet, take it seriously. Follow the instructions clearly, buy all the necessary products in the right quantities. It has been proven by experience that this plan will help you to lose 5-8 kilograms per week, if you follow the rules unswervingly. The first day. This is the most important day in your program. Therefore, it is necessary to devote it entirely to fruit. Eat all the fruits that you like. The main thing is to exclude bananas from the list. And remember that watermelons and melons are best. Make sure that you do not touch any other products, neither raw, nor cooked vegetables, including. Also on this day you need to drink 8-12 glasses of water. If in the process you will experience hunger, increase portions. Make assorted. Stay hungry, see, categorically not. Second day. It will have to be dedicated to vegetables. Choose the ones that you like. You can boil it, you can absorb it raw. That's only if you cook, then make sure that you have not used any salt or oil. On this day it is important at least once to eat a portion of boiled potatoes. It will be safe, believe me. Also lean on carrots, broccoli, cucumbers, pumpkin, lettuce, cabbage, eggplant. If you do everything right, then during the day, go to the toilet several times. This is extremely necessary for major repairs of your digestive system. And do not forget to drink 8-12 glasses of water in these 2 vegan days. The third day. This is the day of the fruit and vegetable diet. You can eat anything from the list, you can not only potatoes and bananas. The main thing is not to mix fruits and vegetables, not to eat them together. Make yourself a fruit assortment for breakfast, a vegetable salad without seasonings for lunch and eat several different fruits for dinner. As in the first 2 days, do not miss the opportunity to drink more water. Day 4. On this day we have a banana milk diet. Exhaust as you want, but for a day you'll have to eat 8-10 bananas and drink 3 glasses of milk. There is nothing else to eat. You may think that this will be a hungry day, but you will be surprised at how well you will feel this evening. The main thing is to remember that on this day you need to eat at least 4 times. Milk to drink for breakfast, lunch and dinner. And we guarantee that during the day you will not feel any signs of hunger. Day 5. If you love tomatoes, then the 5th day will be a holiday for you. At lunch you will need to eat a cup of rice. And at breakfast and dinner, in the aggregate 6-7 large tomatoes. The body will produce a lot of uric acid on this day. Therefore, you will have to try to drink 12-15 glasses of water. The 6th day. At noon for lunch you are allowed to eat a cup of rice. And in the rest of the day, stick to the vegetable ration, that is fruit and vegetable diet. Strongly, you do not have to suffer. By that time you will not have much to eat, and you will feel much better than at the beginning of the week of losing weight. The 7th day. This is the last day of your diet. You have the right to a small bowl of rice and all the vegetables you want. Fruit on this day is not, but all the food today must be washed down with fruit juices. Freshly, of course. There is no doubt that if you follow this strict diet, then a week noticeably lose weight. And then you will not gain weight back, because this diet perfectly cleanses your digestive system. You can eat a lot, but do not get fat. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.